I made a video of myself trying to troubleshoot this iPad 6 over here. It was restarting from the Apple boot icon, and also it was just stuck in restore mode. So I did this typical troubleshooting. I hooked it up to iTunes and tried doing an update restore. Tried restoring in restore mode, no success. Tried doing it in DFU mode, no success. Also tried with different cables, because I should probably put that above, but they always say try using different USB cables. Could be a USB cable issue. Didn't work. Even tried different computers. I tried the latest MacBook Pro, sort of the latest, a year old, with all the updates. They said you should update it, so maybe I should put like 4.5 or something. Update iTunes. Update iTunes. Tried on three different computers, a PC as well as two Macs. No success. So my final conclusion is, it sounds like it's a hardware issue. We just don't know what the hardware issue is. If you're watching the video, it fails. Maybe it might not show in the video, but it fails as it's, what do you call it, extracting the software, and then it doesn't get to the part where it copies the software over onto the iPad. So that's where it fails. Well, that makes me think that there's most likely probably a problem with the USB port connector. So maybe the port needs to be replaced, but you don't know, and what's the point of spending that much money to replace that? Or I read online that some people said removing the proximity sensor, because the proximity sensor might have gone bad, will allow you to reinstall, or at least factory reset or factory update your iPad. I wasn't able to try either one because it's not my iPad and I don't feel like opening it up. So, with that said and done, that was my unsuccessful attempt at fixing a iPad 6 that was stuck in restore mode or constantly restarting from the Apple boot icon. Again, you don't have to watch this video. Sorry if you did and you're very disappointed. I'm just frustrated. For me, I would take this iPad to Apple and have an Apple geek try to restore it. I forgot to mention one other thing. This iPad was taken to Geek Squad at Best Buy. They took a look at it, and it looks like they did try to do one of these update restores through iTunes and failed. And so they said take it to Apple. And so have a good day. This is an iPad 6 that was constantly rebooting. I guess it got updated and was rebooting all the time. So it's taken to Best Buy, and they took a look and said it needs to be taken to Apple. It looks like they tried to restore it through iTunes, probably unsuccessfully, so I'll give it a try. I'm going to hook it up to iTunes right now and try to restore it. Probably won't work. Next step would be putting in DFU mode and trying to restore it that way. Okay.
Because when it twists the other way and the second way, maybe it will wobble a lot and it'll break.
What does this mean?
And then it bursts later. But if you...
I was stuck on error code 4013. So I put that iPad in DFU mode, and now I'm going to try to do it. It's in DFU mode. I didn't show the steps to put into DFU mode, but you can Google it. Let's see what happens. Let's prepare an iPad.
Together, it'll be a bit harder.
Continue to get this error. Stuck. I'm going to try using a MacBook to restore it now, since DFU mode on a PC didn't work. Let's try restore. I selected update on this MacBook, and it's currently doing this, extracting the software. I tried restore first, and restore didn't work. So now I'm trying update only, and it's trying to factory reset it right now. Same error. 4013. Really annoying.